So I made a post on my Instagram, cutting the paper with the reel. Got several comments saying, hey Pete, that's too tight. Listen. You hear how tight that is? Where the blade comes in contact with the bed knife, so I'm going to loosen that and adjust it a little bit. So it's my understanding with this, you want the least amount of contact with the reel and the bed knife, but still be able to do a scissor-like action. So I think I'm there now. Listen to the difference. You see it's very, very little contact with it, but let's check it right here. There's a good one. Yep. 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 All right. There we go. Look at that. So that's all the way across. I'm getting good scissor-like action, and my noise is pretty minimum. Now, if any of you watching this are real mowing masters, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I've got this right. Again, it's considerably less contact, but I'm still getting the scissor-like action.